I would say that it is not a way to get rich quick. A lot of people want to just have an idea and they say, "Oh, I have this great idea and I'm going to go out and I'm going to give it a shot. And if it works out, great. If it doesn't, then that's fine too." But the problem with that type of approach is that you won't be successful with that kind of approach. So it's really important to decide why you want to be an entrepreneur, if that is a goal of yours, and then realize that it's going to take years and multiple ventures to probably get the success that you want.
Right,
You
right.
learn from every failure. And I like to look at entrepreneurship as a lever to achieve things that are bigger than you'd be able to move on your own. Being able to create bigger results with teams and things that you can't do as an individual. You can create a lot of great results by creating a system. It's really building an engine to produce great results.